new flag sorted ShipOwner 526. So we have the Spanish flag at the lowest ever 91 ships. Yes, 91 ships. So why? Ship owners must realize that you cannot defend a flag without a crew management company. In order to defend the flag, you need the ships, the submarines, the drones, the infantry, huge volumes of crew available. So if you do not have the crew, European crew available, there is no flag to defend. How are you going to defend alone? Yes. So then why don't you change the flag, dear ship owner? Many European flags have this shortage of crew, and no one really is tackling this issue of, hey, the Spanish flag is at the lowest ever in history, 91 ships. Well, why don't you contact Candina? We can defend your flag because we have the biggest database of Latinos and the Spanish all together in the Spanish language. We can defend your flag, dear ship owner. Well, if you want to throw it away, do it with the rest of the European flags too, because we have here, how many European flags do we have, and what is the pool of European officers and ratings? Are the politicians going to do something? Of course not. They are not capable. You're talking to stones. They can make artificial waves. That's all. One day they make numbers, or they can make numbers about 4 million seafarers, direct, indirect 44 million. But really, who wants to work in Europe if they pay people for not working, like Spain and many other countries? So the situation is, if you don't have the European crew, why are you holding the European flag? Now, if you need a solution, ESG solution, contact Candina, because perhaps we need to adapt to these changes. And of course, if you have a competitive advantage, we can generate with attorneys the barriers of entry, exit, and so on, like we've done many years, 126 years, because our goal is 126 years, the next 126 years. Yes, so why hold these European flags? Then please, if you want to be the last one in the queue, or the first one, and take a huge competitive advantage, now contact me. I never take holidays. Thank you, bye.